In 1849, master architect Usta Kolyo Ficheto built a house for a trader named Nikola Koiuv. This building, which is situated at the start of the famous Samovodska Charshia, Craftsman Street, has attracted many curious visitors over the years, as it is one of the enduring symbols of Veliko Tarnovo. According to urban legend, the original owner, Nikola Koiuv, was madly in love with a beautiful lady that lived across the street. He would spend much of his time sitting on the front steps of the building, hoping to catch even a brief glimpse of this woman. And the position he held on his porch became a regular sight for many years. When the house was bought, the neighbors would often mention to the new owner that it was strange not seeing Nikola sitting on the porch. So the new owner decided to pay tribute to the hopeless romantic and give the neighbors a sense that Nikola was still with them by setting a small statue of a man sitting into the wall above the entrance of the building. And after many years, the story of Nikola Koiuv was forgotten. Neighbors and passersby do not understand the meaning behind the statue on the wall. So today the building is referred to as the House with the Monkey, as people generations later misinterpret the tiny sitting man as a small primate.